How to find and remove recently added friends on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find and remove recently added friends on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you have to do is simply scroll down and tap on my friends to see your full friend list. So here at the top of the list, you will see all recently added friends. So here you can view the friends that you have added recently, and with that, you can just long press on their name, and once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on manage friendship, and after that you can just tap on remove friend and confirm it. And once you do that, the person will now be removed from your Snapchat friend list. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.